Last year, the Wildcrest Sun has won the Eagle Awards with the aim of honoring the SMMEs who has been great in their business.
This is a challenge for all of us. It's new, it's brand new. But if we embrace it, if we fully embrace it, oh God, there's gonna be some great stories that's gonna come out of this. Even if there's one successful business that will come out of this, it will be a massive achievement.
Sanbanani to all the viewers at home. My name is Notla Digindlela and you guys are tuned in right here on The Next Billionaire. Namhlanje sendaweni se-Eastern Cape. We are here to get to know all the SMEs that have been nominated for the Eagle Awards that the Wildcrest Sun is going to be hosting on the 10th of March 2023. Right next to me, I have the creator and founder of Pondoland Times, Ujan Puti. Siyaphila nathi. For the viewers at home, abangakwazi ukuthi ubani, ngicela uzintroduce yourself.
My name is Quan. I'm the founder. I like to call myself the publishing editor of Pondoland Times. We write, we represent Pondoland Times, we represent the Pondoland area at large. We write stories about our place, all the Alfredo region basically, from Port Edward to Matatiel, Flagstaff to Sikisiki, Mount Frere, Tabankulu, Coxted. Some parts are KZN, but the closest parts of the area that we cover, which is the Alfredo District Municipality, or AKA Zone 5, according to the Gaming Board demarcations. I had just came out from a contract, 12-month contract, delivering periodicals, newspapers, and magazines for a local municipality. So I had that experience of delivering, distributing Isolezwe, other, sorry for name dropping.
It's okay.
Like basically local newspapers, other newspapers and magazines around the local libraries. So the idea came about, like, what if I do my own? Because now I got this experience of distributing other newspapers and magazines. Let me rather do this. And I'm fortunate for doing that contract with the local municipality, because it taught me the gist and the most important part of running a publication, which is distribution.
Gain the experience there.
Yeah, that's how we came about it. And then of course from there, when I had the logo, did the registrations, paperwork, started the website, then launched online. Unlike telling people that, hey, I want to start a newspaper, just went on straight up, boom, there's a newspaper. People started seeing articles left, right, and center on social media, and oh, this is nice. Went on and printed my first publication, first print in March 2021. Then it went on and on without any financial backing, with nothing. I collected money from friends who believed in my ideas, strangest ideas. Shout out to all of them. And of course, I went to outsource advertisers firsthand. I'm like, guys, I didn't even have a sample of that newspaper. All I had was a printed A4, which is a double A4. I'm like, this is how the newspaper is gonna look like. If you believe in this, buy the newspaper advertising. And then they bought it. Half of the advertising was bought. And the advertisers, they all came through. I printed my first, went out, people received it well. Then the following issue after that, it had advertising from local municipalities from the get-go, because I went all out distributing it. Then on the coming Tuesday, I received an email like, can we please have a code for this advert? I'm like, boom, we are in.
Now you're in.
Just like that.
I love that. So you are nominated on the Eagle Awards. How do you feel, and congratulations?
Thank you so much. It's quite a awesome feeling. Judging from the work that we've done, judging from the work that I've put in behind putting together the team, looking for funding from different avenues. This is such an amazing experience. Actually, ndithatha njenge reward. you are now recognized.
Definitely.
You can rub shoulders with other SMMEs because we treat this as a business. Unlike other ways of doing business, which are traditionally known like tendering and other things in the rural communities. So running an actual business is challenging. So being recognized and nominated, it's an awesome feeling.
I
It
love
means that
that.
we're doing something positive for the community.
Definitely. I love that. I hope we're going to be seeing the Eagle Awards being advertised on the Pondoland Times.
Definitely.
Definitely, definitely. So for those who want to get to be on the Pondoland Times and want to get to know more about you, besicela ama details akhe and tholakala kanjani?
The first thing is Google.
Oh yes.
Go to Google, Pondoland Times, boom, everything is there. But www.pondolandtimes.co.za, it's our website, or advertise at pondolandtimes.co.za, info@pondolandtimes.co.za. Google is your friend, your best friend. We are out there.
Definitely.
You find us there.
So, Puti, as the creator and founder of Pondoland Times, do you think that you are the next Buyede?
Most certainly.
Yes.
I'm going to the USA in May for 3 weeks.
Oh, yes.
To under the Association of Independent Publishers to learn how to sustain the publication beyond now. I'm definitely going to be the best, the next billionaire. I am one right now.
Yes.
You are talking to the next billionaire as we speak.
I
And we've
love
started
that.
with the millions of impressions.
I love that. I love that. So, Puti, congratulations for your trip. Hope that you go well. So, you guys, after the episode, we're going to be having one of the SMEs again who's going to tell us about their nominee.